Kelly here at Ontario Motor Sales. Thanks so much for taking a closer look at our 2019 Buick Encore on this blustery day in Oshawa. This Encore has a 1.4 liter turbocharged engine. It is all-wheel drive, so you are going to have better traction on the roads on a day like today. We do also have the LED headlamps along with the 18-inch chrome wheels, and it is equipped with the safety package, so that's going to give you the rain sense wipers, front rear park assist, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and you do have the side blind zone alert as well. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Starting with the cargo area, you do have considerable space back here. It comes with the privacy cover for added security. You do have your spare wheel underneath and additional storage space for smaller items. To extend the cargo further, you do have the 60/40 split folding seats, allowing you to drop those seats down and get more room. Nice leather interior, fair bit of space back here for rear passengers, and the addition of the 120 volt power outlet if your passengers need to connect any devices. For the front seat, driver does get power seats along with the memory seat settings for 2 drivers. We have the power sunroof, which would not be advised on a day like today. For technology, we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can connect your smartphone right to your vehicle, and it is equipped with navigation, a very handy feature. As well, we have the heated seats for driver and passenger, along with dual zone climate control. And you can access your phone for hands-free calling directly on your steering wheel, so you do not need to take your eyes off the road. Kilometers are just 18,518, so lots of room left to go. Plus you do have the balance of factory warranty as well. So that's a quick look at our 2019 Buick Encore. What's great about the Encore is that it is compact, but you do have the feel of an SUV for as far as ease of access to the vehicle goes. And that 1.4 liter engine is going to give you great fuel efficiency as well. This is certified pre-owned, and it has no previous accidents to report. It is a previous rental, which the benefit of that is that it has had regular maintenance checkups as well as cleanups. It comes to you fully reconditioned by us, with the addition of 4 free oil changes on delivery. So for more information on this Encore, please give us a call, 905-725-6501. You can also text us at that number as well. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.